Hawthorn Composites delivers high-value, complex composites by deploying low-cost materials with liquid infusion and novel manufacturing methods. Today, we will be demonstrating how we converted a metal enclosure door to a composite using a combination of low-cost broad goods and resin transfer molding of epoxy resin. To start, we designed the mold to be compatible with RTM and to meet the customer's geometric requirements. Using automation to drive down labor costs, we use our 20-foot cutting table to accurately cut fabric following the unique ply kit pattern for process repeatability. First, a thick chopped strand fiberglass mat is cut in both large and small patterns, followed by a thinner layer of fiberglass QUISO, a quasi-isotropic braided fiberglass fabric. Layup begins on the male surface of the mold, starting with the chopped strand fiberglass mat, followed by a layer of the QUISO fabric. The positioning of matched tooling inserts ensures vertical flange walls with minimal draft angles are achieved. This layup process continues on all the mold surfaces. For the outside edge, a layer of chopped fiberglass is used, followed by an internal layer of balsa wood. This helps to significantly lower the weight of the part, saving about 15 pounds. Then the outer layer of chopped strand fiberglass mat is placed on top. After layup is complete, the mold is closed in multiple steps, again because of the requirement for minimal draft angles. The mold is then bolted closed and is plumbed for infusion. The mold has multiple outlets to allow us to control the resin flow of the outlets and make sure no region of the part lacks proper resin infusion. The mold is placed into the oven, infused with resin, and the cure cycle begins. After cure, the mold is removed from the oven. The inlet tubes are removed, and the mold is opened in steps. First, the match tooling is removed, releasing the trapped parts of the composite, and then the outer tooling is removed. The requirements for minimal draft required the design of a complex mold that worked as expected. We then trim the vertical flanges using the machine tooling scribe lines, and the part is finished and ready for painting. This composite enclosure door was able to meet all geometric surface and stiffness requirements at only 32 pounds, less than 40% of the original weight of the metal enclosure door. Hawthorn Composites utilizes dry fiber, resin infusion, and novel manufacturing methods to make complex geometry composite parts that are equal in performance and quality to baseline manufacturing methods at significantly lower cost. Learn more about Hawthorn Composites at hawthorncomposites.com.